Today is Veterans Day, a day where we pause to show our gratitude for the brave individuals who have fought and continue to fight to protect the freedoms we often take for granted. Freedom isn't free. It comes at a price. The veterans we honor today are the people who volunteered, sacrificed time with their families, and sometimes even their lives so that you and I can live the way we do. Whether you choose a career in the military or not, there are many ways you can serve others in your community, and those acts of service are just as important. Serving others doesn't always mean doing something big or dramatic. It can be as simple as helping a friend when they're struggling, volunteering at a local food bank, or standing up for someone who's being treated unfairly. Everyone can make a difference in their community. You can help out a neighbor, you can stand up for what's right, or volunteer your time to causes you care about. Service isn't just something soldiers do, it's something we can all practice in everyday lives. Maybe one day some of you will wear the uniform too, and when you do, you will understand the true meaning of sacrifice, service, and honor.